Biodiversity loss can have significant direct human health impacts if ecosystem services are no longer adequate to meet social needs. Indirectly, changes in ecosystem service affects livelihoods, income, local migration, and on occasion may even cause or exacerbate political conflict. However, it is us humans who continuously damages and degrade the ecosystem. The increase of air pollution made by human activities through industrial factories, vehicles, and the use of greenhouse gases has made threatening effect on the entire ecosystem. Emissions of both sulphur dioxide and nitrogen oxides deposit in water, on vegetation, and on soils as acid rain, thereby increasing the acidity with adverse effects on flora and fauna. Ultimately, acidification affects the ability of ecosystems to provide ecosystem services, such as, for example, nutrient cycling and carbon cycling, but also water provision on which the planet and human life is dependent. So how do we stop air pollution? The number one biggest thing that you can do is to drive less. Vehicle emissions are one of the major sources of air pollution. Join with your local community to think of ways to get things done that doesn't require a car, such as bikes and transit systems. If you must drive, if you can, switch to electric vehicles. Here are some of the other things that we can do to reduce air pollution. Riding a bike or walking instead of driving. Taking a bus or carpooling. Buying a car that has greater fuel efficiency. Turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use. Using energy efficient light bulbs and appliances. And buying fewer things that are manufactured using fossil fuels.